Hello guys, and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video I want to show you some fuse locations, and I'm going to show you a common issue. And I know I already pointed this out before, but I'm going to do it again. Over here we have this little switch here. It's an on and off, and basically it looks like it's a fog light like lamp, and this is for the lamps, but this is not for fog lights. This is for daytime running lights. It needs to be flipped this way, and then you need to flip this on for the lights to be on. This is for the parking lights. It's really crazy because what it's showing me is a symbol for fog lights, but it's not fog lights, it is actual lights. So both of these need to be turned forward in order for your headlights to come on. It's a very common issue with Nissan Rogues, where when you turn this off, you flip this back as well. So this needs to be always on, and you just basically rotate this. So if you're turning this on and your lights are not coming on, push this forward. Make sure it's not in off position, because right now this is off, this is on, and this is now the lights are on. See that these are gonna line up for you. You know, so it's not natural to try to turn it off. So just basically keep it on, guys. So that's the tip number one. Let's now continue with the fuses. So here's a fuse panel location right here. Right here, there's some fuses there. We also have fuses on the outside of the vehicle. We have two boxes. They're hidden in here. Now I do have another Nissan Rogue where these fuses are visible, so let's take a look, because it's gonna be the same thing. So here's the fuse panels that I was actually talking about, and some of these wirings are kind of like loose. It's okay. This vehicle was in an accident, so these fuse panels, they kind of like dislodged themselves, causing leaves to come in here and stuff like that. But anyways, I'm just gonna clean it up a little bit. If you lift this up and over, you see fuses, and you see fuses here. You will read these fuses right here. You got let's see, hold on. Okay, looks like you got rear def throttle, MTR, acceleration injector, O2 sensor, fuel pump, let's see, illumination, parking, spare fuse, ABS, let's see, high beams, looks like lamp, low right, low left. So basically a lot of fuses here, and when it's actually plugged in over here like this, you could miss it. You will look at it and you're gonna think like, wow, like that's a computer or something. You're not gonna like really know. That's why I really want to show this one, because it just looks like maybe like a computer. You would naturally pull this off because this looks like a lid, and you're gonna find some fuses back here. It's not gonna give you much good because there's not a lot of stuff over here. But here's a horn, here's a fan, here's another fan, bunch of other stuff that we're not gonna get into. But this is the fuse locations. I already made a video, but this was done on my other Rogue. I did remove these things to, you know, make them a little bit more visible. But from an accident, these things really has dislodged, so you know, I'm gonna close these things up. But anyways guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.